Good morning, traders. Today is Wednesday, March 26, 2025. My name is Joseph. I'm with Smart Money Traders. Today we're going to be looking at the market together. Again, this stream is for educational purposes only. Not a recommendation to buy or sell any futures contract or foreign exchange. So right now we're looking at I just placed an order to go short on LE. Hopefully, will come back and give me that opportunity here. Um, we're looking at LE to go short. We just went up. We made a lower high. Hopefully, we can come back here and give me this opportunity to go short on LE, which is live cattle. So I've been trading live cattle for a little bit now because on a day like when the NDCs are going crazy like they are right now because things are selling off really hard. LE, I find it's a good alternative to them. So 62 two or 262 half is my entry to go short. So hopefully here, probably a couple more ticks, I might get I might get there. I'll show 3 ticks to it. It's not because right now we're right about to hit the VWAP. So right at the VWAP, I put it there. Right. Below the VWAP, which is at 65. Hopefully, we can get in here and get short on LE. So LE is a very slow moving market, but it can be, it can be lucrative. There's no like right now. If you're trading the indices, if you're short, definitely you're printing money. We have this little fair value gap here. We hit it on ES at 58.33, and then we've been selling since 9:42. So again, I apologize for being starting the stream a little later than usual today. And right now, for us to go short on ES, we would need definitely a pullback. Yeah, we need a pullback to engage on ES. Yeah. So in the meantime, we have this order here. Hopefully, we can get short on LE here, and go from there. At least doesn't want to come back. Doesn't look like he wants to come back here. Mm. Alright. Once again, we're not gonna be chasing it. We're waiting to see what it's gonna give us here. So look at the 30-minute on LE. What it looks like. Let's look at the bottom right chart here. Look at live cattle. What it's looking like. Let's see. It's taking a long time to load, huh? All right, there you go. Yeah, live cattle looks like from the move from yesterday. You know, this was more like toward the middle of the day. We have almost toward about 2 hours before closing, we went higher. But at the moment, we feel like LE is in like that downswing. And again, now it's not coming back to get us. It is not coming back to get us. It's okay. We're not chasing it once again. We're gonna wait here and see if it's come. If it comes back, it comes back. If it doesn't, that's fine. Um, and we'll wait for the other stuff to, like ES or NQ, to give us a decent pullback to engage here, because we're not gonna try to chase this right now. Because it's definitely oversold here. Yeah, it's definitely oversold, and we're trying to. Mhm. Okay. Look, we may still get taken in here with Ellie. Let's see. Looks like he wants to jump back up. So like right now, ES and NQ are definitely pulling back a little bit. So, but again, we'll trade it as such. To us, to me, it's a pullback. You know, it's nothing. All right, let's see if we can get taken in here with Ellie. That'd be nice. But at the same time, whenever you get into a trade, there's no guarantee that it's gonna be a winner. So it's 10 o'clock. We should expect this kind of pullback, especially the first half an hour was a big sell off on the indices. So right now we should definitely see some kind of movement to go higher. Now, this is ES we're looking at right now. And look at it on the Raptor as well. It's in a zone. Yeah, we definitely want a deeper pullback to engage here. That doesn't mean we're gonna get it, but that would be a preference. Actually, Ellie's almost at an entry. All right, we got filled here. Got a 20 tick emergency stop. We're gonna see how things go on Ellie here. Yeah, we got fill on Ellie here. Let's see if we can get down just in the one handle. That's what we're shooting for. We're risking 20 ticks. We're shooting for 40. So um, that's what we're shooting for here. All right. Let's see what we're doing here on LE. Up a couple ticks. LE is $10 a tick. So that's what we. Now, if we make a new low here at 32 and a half or 30, if we get to 2 or 230, probably move our stop down a little bit here at 80. So ES and then Q definitely shooting higher a little bit. So ES is, for whatever reason, my ES is like a few seconds behind. Same thing with M and Q, but NQ is right on there. Let's see. I had it always on top. Yeah, so definitely the sellers are coming back in here. When you look at the way the market opened at 9:30, We have the advanced decline going higher up to 942. And at 942, 943, we're starting to go lower. And this is when we start to see the sell off. So, make perfect sense here that we're seeing a sell off on. We're seeing a sell off on ES, which is we have on the bottom left chart, along with the three indexes, which is the advanced decline and the advanced issues and the trend. Trend is higher than one. That means we're in a bearish territory. Advanced decline is going lower along with advanced issues. So as you can see, they kind of go hand in hand here. Now we're looking like to see if we can bounce in this area. That could be. In the meantime, Ellie seems to be working out a little bit here. It's only up 6 ticks, so we're not gonna call that a winner yet. 8 ticks, but if we can make a new low at 22 or 230, we should probably start using moving our stop. Let's see. Any breaking news that came out? Nothing really major so far I can see. This market really sold pretty hard here. UK. Let's see if we can see anything about the US here. Okay. So durable goods came out better than expected. Okay, if we can get back, if we can get lower, if we can make a new bar to the downside here and here, get to 230. We'll try to assert low of the day, which is at 202.1. Yeah, we're below that. So at this point, we could even get to break even here. Honestly, I mean, at this point, we reduce the risk to 0. Unless we get slippage, which is always a possibility. Right now, we're in what I'd like to call a free trade. Okay. Just scrolling through the news here. Nothing major. A lot of UK news this morning. Okay. I think if we make a new low, the odds are here we're gonna probably hit the target. So with that said, right now we're looking. Let's see. Again, worst case that's gonna happen in this trade is Ellie's gonna be I don't know what's going on here. So we're still seeing this. We still see the selling here going down. 20. It's again, this could be a retest of those lows to go higher. So I'd be careful here. So we're seeing here an NQ. NQ is bouncing higher here a little bit. I think NQ, a little retracement for NQ is definitely 10, 15 points real quick. So we're seeing the same thing on ES as well. So I'd definitely be careful here. So let me look at NQ and ES. ES big picture here in the 30-minute. Yeah. It's a pretty big 30-minute candle here that closes at 10. So, but right now we're trading the boring stuff. We're trading LE, no excitement. We're not trading to it for excitement. We're trading to make money, and that's what we're doing right now. So we're up 15 ticks here on LE, 16. So hopefully we can get 24 more ticks down, and that's all we're asking for. We're really close to the law of the day. We're at the law of the day pretty much, almost. There you go. So we're really pushing down right now. There you go. Got 15 more ticks. Let's see. Should expect a little bit pushback here at the figure, because we hit 202 and we're getting a little bounce up, which is normal. People are taking profit there. People are trying to buy there, but ultimately I think there's a big chance here they may get run over. At least that's what we would like to see. We'd like to see them get run over here. So, and QNES, I'm not gonna touch him until maybe another half an hour. I want to give it 18 minutes. 10:30, then we'll have the initial balance established on ES and NQ. Then we'll know how to approach it. So, let me see if I can, because I need to go downstairs and get my bowl of water. Let's see. I'll put a sign here saying that I'll be back in a few minutes. LE trade is working like a charm here. Got 10 ticks. About 10 ticks to the target. Yeah, good trading should be boring, not excitement. We're not trading for excitement. And there was a point in the career that we did that, and that didn't work too well. Or it worked, but it worked it wasn't consistent. So got 7 more ticks here. 5 more ticks. Let's see if can I get a couple? Can I get one more tick to pay the commissions? Yeah, I just want to pay the commissions too. Let's go for 41 ticks here. Again, we're at a support level here, so we should expect a little bit of bump in the road here. We got to 67.5, which was about 2 ticks for my original target. Now we got to 3 ticks for my target, so I should expect some kind of reaction here at this line, but And if we're strong enough, I think the order flow is saying if we're strong enough, we may just push this down here. We may push this down and hit the target. There you go. I see volume going down here in my order flow chart. So and because of that support line here, it got delayed a little bit to take the target, but I think we have a chance here. Again, we'll see that. We'll definitely see a little reaction here. We may even go up 10 ticks from the low, 10, 15 ticks from the low, and come back down. But we're gonna stay with the plan here to just take the target there. Let me write a note here. We'll be back. Uh, 10, 10:25. Once again, we expected this, so that's why we're not worried at all. Worst case, this trade's gonna come out and take us break even, which wouldn't be too good. But I think here we should see a push back down here, some way somehow. I think this is profit taking happening here. We should when I look at this here, we're looking for 40 ticks. Okay, let me just go and get my water and hopefully by the time I get back, I'll be able to see that. Be back. Oh, thought I did mute my mic. I didn't. All right, let's see if we can get a no low here and get our target. Okay. Yes, yes, and then keep still selling off. In the meantime, let me look at gold and see what gold is doing. Gold is selling off as well. Hmm. Okay, I'm seeing a push down here on live cattle. Let's see if we can just make it no low by 3 or 4 more ticks here. We'll be fine. Yeah, this selling is with a little less on ES. Okay, looks like we're going for the target now on live cattle. Honestly, we can extend our target, but we just gonna stick with our original plan, which was let's get 400. Sorry, yeah, $400, which is 40 ticks on live cattle here. So we're 6 ticks away. As a matter of fact, we're looking for 410 so we can cover our commissions. Commissions on live cattle is a little more than the indices, it's like $6, I think. Um, so we're just gonna cover that with that 1 tick if we can get there. Yes, and then Q right now it's kind of hard to trade them because they ran down so long, so much. And once they run down like this, we may see like a reversal, but also we may see continuation to the downside for whatever reason. Here they're really pushing them down today. I thought we're at a place where it's starting to be feeling like safe to buy this market, but I guess there's no such thing as being safe because right now we're looking at early here. It's about 6 ticks away. Yeah, about 6 ticks away from our target. So hopefully we can get there, and we'll consider trading ES or NQ. Or maybe you can look at gold. Might be a little less crazy though than ES, but definitely gold. We have some big candles on there too. Pretty volatile. We had a support zone in gold. So I might. So we had a support in gold here that bounced earlier at 6:30 this morning. And will it do that again here? We don't know. LE really have the buyers out here on LE are really being pesky. Hopefully they get gonna run over here. So what I'm okay, there you go. That's a nice little push down. There you go. I think sellers are coming in and say, hey, we're gonna show you who's boss. Yeah, I think there's momentum here to the downside at the moment. It's just a matter of breaking this low. If we break this low, it's a lot of stops down here. I think they're gonna go for the stops. We might see like they go down and take the target out and bounce higher. But before you bounce higher early, I'd like you to go and take my target out. But eventually, really, a stop is right here. Maybe 12 and a half. Let's move our stop down to 12 and a half. At least we get half of we get I'm gonna put to 10. It doesn't matter. Okay, are we gonna get to? We need 10 more ticks here to the downside, or are we gonna get 10 ticks to the upside? Not sure. Not even 10 ticks. Yeah, 15 ticks to the upside. So at least we're gonna secure 20 ticks. Let's secure 20 ticks. We don't want to make this, get this nice trade and don't come away with anything. So right now we trying to see if we can get back down here to 60. It'd be real nice if we can do that. Hmm. Now we're seeing some buying going on here on the indices. We're almost at the bottom. It looks like. I don't know if we're gonna turn around for the day or is it just temporary buying. You know. So right now we're at 1028. So the initial balance low on ES is let me see what the low of this candle is. It's 57.97. It's 57.97. So bounce off that. Hopefully, that'll give us a better idea here. If we're gonna be going back higher, or is it just temporary? People taking their profits at the lows. Early here, we're ranging in this zone here. It's either we're gonna go take us out for plus 20 ticks, so 21 ticks, or they're gonna take us out for 41 ticks down here. Obviously, we would like it to be the latter. You know, taking us out here for 41 ticks going down. So that's about it. I'm just gonna wait here for a second. Right now, Ellie's we're not doing much. just kind of ranging, and just waiting to see what the indices are doing as far as so look like they want to go lower. Everything, I think everything here, all those little rallies happening here, they're shortable. Should try to short them, but again, it's 10:30. See if they're gonna go for the new low or they're gonna be bouncing higher here. In the meantime, LE is kind of really taking its time. At least we got 21 ticks locked in. So let's see. Let's see how it goes here. Unfortunately, they may go higher and tag us out and then go lower, but if that's the case, that's fine. That's just part of the deal. Yeah. Up 21. Sorry, we locked in 21 ticks. Now we're up 25 ticks. So yeah, got 3 more ticks here we'll be taking out. Unfortunately, we won't get to a target. There you go. We got taken out plus 21 here. It's okay. We got to this bottom here. Honestly, if we get a nice pullback toward maybe this level, 250, that could be an opportunity to sell it. So we're not gonna rule that out. In the meantime, we see GC, which is gold, trying to go higher here. I think gold could be one of those. Gold could be one of those candidates here to go. Definitely, gold is in a downtrend, but can we see a bounce here to the top of this channel? I mean, not channel, but that zone. I think it's possible. Now, lesson for heavy trade is just, I was sticking to the 40 tick, but really just put it right on the line here would be much better than, 210. 380 or 350 is better than 210 any day. But we're looking at gold here. Are we bouncing higher here, or because we have a higher low compared to this? So let me go to the gold chart here on the Unirenko. Then gold is tempting to go long in gold here, but let's see, 130 go higher. Looks like there's a hope here gold may go higher. Yeah, I think I kind of missed my entry on gold. I wanted to do it at 22.5. Already up 7 ticks here. So whatever we made on LE here, we may just try to risk on gold and see if we can get another 400 on gold here. I think gold is prime too. It looks like it wants to bounce higher here. So I don't know. LE is going much higher. As you can see here, it was definitely good that we locked in 20 ticks. Otherwise, it would be a break-even trade, which would be worse than what we did. So definitely here, we're going much higher on LE. LE is that's some pretty. And I'm looking at the 3-minute here on LE. That's on the other chart. That's pretty big. Now looking at and Q down here, looks like it wants to go higher. We're seeing the advanced decline going higher. Wow, look at LE going higher, man. Look at this. Good thing we did. Now it's approaching the resistance area, which is at 202, 203.22. Wow. They're really pushing it. So I'm glad we got 21 ticks down here then. And kind of yeah. ES, let's see if we can look at ES here and see if we can take a short on ES. If that's gonna be something we try to do here. Things are definitely not. Well, we missed the entry on goal. We wanted to do 22.5, and now it's almost 2 points up. Yeah, it's 2 points up, so we could be chasing that. Let's go back to LE here. LE, we get to that resistance. It looks like we're pushing back. Could this be another short here up there? Good thing we're not trying to sell ES right now. ES still going higher. LE. Yeah, ES is definitely not a place where it looks attractive to buy it. But at the same time, it's yeah. Selling's happening again here on ES. As I would like to see in ES is a push down toward the lows without making a new low and a U-turn. I feel more comfortable buying it. And so let's look at NQ here. NQ is kind of ranging. See, I mean, it's definitely a stalemate between 10:30, 10:28, and now, which is 12 minutes later. We haven't moved more than 20 points on NQ, which is very little when you think about it. So we're gonna wait here. Has been decline. Is looking like he wants to go higher, but look at gold here. We wanted to buy gold at 22.5, up to 3 points right now. That's what it would have been, but we hesitated. I mean, this is LE is way up there. Looks like looks like LE is pulling back. Now at this point here, if we were to engage in LE, looks like it's up to the long side. ES is selling off here. Let's see. Thing with ES, if we can get back to the lows, toward the lows here, that's 5.5, 9. It's not ranging here. Looks like he wants to go higher. 98. And Q is really close to that figure. So so I'd like ES to go a little lower. Give me a U-turn, and then we can try to buy along here. Let's go on the 30 minute and see what ES looking like. Yeah, that's a big indecision candle here on the 30 minutes previously. So meaning, the cells are definitely losing steam here. They're not as strong as they used to. But I wasn't going to call that a reversal yet. Okay, see LE still pulling back here. The way that LE moved up so quickly, we know that it wasn't small traders pushing it. So let's see if we can bounce off the VWAP here at 57. See how it's gonna react, or even 47. 47.5 over here could be a place to see if we can go long LE if the opportunity presents itself. Yes, it's still ranging. No NQ here. If we get a, so NQ is 85, 75. Okay, is the selling off again? The positive bar here we made trying to go long here. Okay, going higher. So okay, and Q is pushing higher here. Let's see if we can get at least a break even. No, doesn't look like it's gonna work out. 50. Gonna give the NQ room to operate here. Yeah. It could have been a premature entry on NQ here, but if they come back, if they go down here and tag us out, that's more power to them. Give it enough room to move. So well, that'll be in the loss column. It looks like. Looks like ES is pushing higher a little bit. Let's see if NQ will follow. Looks like we're seeing some buying right now. This way, we're not gonna be too quick to move or stop to break even because we know NQ is gonna come. Usually, will come back, but we're definitely gonna reduce. We can definitely reduce our risk here. Maybe give it 5 points room. Risking 5 points on here. So honestly here. If we okay, we're at break even. It's either it's gonna keep going higher here or come back and hopefully not come back and tag us out. That's not what we want to see. We want to see we're going for 50 points on the NQ here. So if we can break this pivot here at 96, we have a good chance of going higher. So at least this is a free trade on NQ. Hopefully we'll keep going here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see here. We can break 95.5, 96 will be. I think we'll be in a good position to go higher, but we're gonna hit the round number at 300. So that could be a fight right there. So once we get to 300, we'll probably can lock in maybe 10 points here. We could do it now, but let's see. Let's see. Can we break up here? There you go. We're going higher. We're going higher. I think we can definitely get 10 points in here at 80.75. 81. So it looks like we're going higher here. We're looking for 50 points on NQ right now. Trade 51 and a half to be exact. So there you go. I think we can lock in some more points here. Got 10 points to the target. Now we can do a candle by candle here. It's at 98. Let's lock in 25 points, which is 95. That's the thing. You're gonna see that kind of movement here. We knew that there was gonna be some pushback here. Give us a new positive bar here. We're gonna go right below that pullback. Definitely should be pushing higher here. There's a lot of volume coming in here. Some climactic volume, so just don't want to get ticked out here by a few ticks and go to my target. It's okay. When we're trading, we got to factor the pullback in. You know there will be a pullback here. So hopefully we get a positive bar here. That will give us 90. I think 90 could be a place here to put a stop at 90, maybe, 90 and 3/4. If they come back and tag us out, that's still 20 points on NQ, which is not too bad, but we're looking for 50. So there you go. See some bullish volume coming in here. There you go. We knew there would be a fight around the 300, but the bullish volume looks like it's yeah. Yeah, we got stopped at 90.75. So that's fine. We may try to go long again here. Yeah. Yeah. Big sell off right now. And if we can go long here, I want another pullback. I want them to try to go higher. Then it's gonna go. Hopefully, it's go lower, and then we'll try to engage better here at a better price. If we grab 20 points on that NQ any day, we're gonna be, it's a good thing. So, um, think we might. Let's see. Let's see where we are in NQ here. So stop would be looks like NQ wants to go higher again here. Honestly, I'd like to see another pullback below here, and then we talk about usually a double pullback action on NQ, and really the indices in general, where you go back like this, and they go higher, and they pull back this way. And if this happened, I'd feel more comfortable going along here. Especially we're already at 8 points into my ideal entry would have been at 92. So what we want to see here is another pullback. If we see another pullback here with some buyers coming in, Now, if this one doesn't make 95.75 here, sometimes they're gonna make a new low. Sometimes they don't make the new low. So let's see if we can come back in here and go long. There you go. We got long here. Hopefully. And earlier we got 20 points out of it. So can we get... We got long at 95. Oh, it looks like we might get taken out here. We might give it back. No, it looks like we're going higher now. Yeah, we're moving higher. This is what I wanted. I wanted to happen here. I wanted that double pullback. Hopefully we can move higher now. So we're gonna just risk 5 points here, or 4 points, maybe 5 points at 90.75 here. Yeah, if they come back at 90.75 here, more power to them. But if we break here, we're gonna just shoot for 30 points. We got 20 earlier, so 30 points would be nice here. Oh, nice. Or is it? No, not so much. Not so much. They're really shooting. Again, we're right at the figure, so we should expect some kind of back and forth here. Hopefully, we go higher here. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting lower. It's back and forth. Let's see if we can actually go higher here. Oh, there you go. We're going a little higher. We're pushing higher now. All right. So honestly, at this point, we should move to break even. If they come back and tag us out, that's fine. That's just part of the deal. But we're looking at 95.75 here. I think that was our entry. There you go. We're looking to 95.75. Let's see if we can get to that 30 points up there. That would be nice. That would be really great. If we break this high, if we break 11 3/4, 11.50. If we break this level here, I think we're gonna go to 25. That would be nice if we can do that. You can see the buyers are getting aggressive here. Let's see if we can break that. Yeah, that's a definitely pretty significant um, resistance. But resistance are meant to be broken, so let's find out here if we can break that and go higher. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. They may come back and tag us out at break even, and that's unfortunate. But we're not gonna give more money back here. Yeah, we're coming back here to take us out. That's what it looks like. That's gonna happen here. 95, 98, 99, 97, 98, 96. Yep, they take us out. Take us out at break even. And that's the thing. Sometimes they tell you out at break even like this to go higher. So we're gonna just let's see, what was the low on this candle? 94.5. Yeah. In the meantime, well, let's look at what LE is doing, which is not much at the moment. Yeah. Yeah. NQ is kind of playing around here. Yeah, they're pushing higher, they're pushing lower. I think before they go higher here, they may go lower. So we're gonna keep our powder dry for the moment. We're not gonna be trying to force this. Unfortunately, they came back here and tagged us, especially if they go to 25, which it would be our target. But that's okay. Looks like it's really close to this pivot here, but I think we may have enough strength to go higher here. Don't feel comfortable going long here at this pivot. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go without us, unfortunately. Honestly, this is more like a short to me at the moment. It's looking more like a short. Yeah, it's looking more like a short. Let's see if we can short it here. Um, hopefully, I don't regret that, but we'll be really quick to move our stop to break even here. Yeah, if it goes, it goes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh my goodness. We have four. Mm. This is gonna reduce my risk by 5 points here. Um, if you tag us out, it tag us out here. It's kind of crazy if we were to get taken out here. We'll be taken out. Yeah. Don't know. We're still in this trade, but trying to sell here. Yeah, we'll be taken out here. Looks like. Yeah, that was a mistake right here. Trying to sell this. Or is it? The mistake was giving it less room. Yeah, that was the mistake. The mistake was for me to give it less room here. Um, yeah. But anyway, Thank you for being here, Ellie. Ellie, we had a. If you look at, give me a second here. Let me. I think we may try another short here on. Let's see if we can try another short here. Maybe 54. Yeah, maybe not. Keep trying the shorts here. That's not working out. Yeah, we're gonna leave the emergency stop on here and see if we can go lower. Now to answer your question, Jimmy, Ellie worked out pretty well. I mean, definitely could have got better. Could have done better as far as managing it. We got to the support. What I did here, my target was at 60. We never got there, but I locked in 21 ticks. So, um, and then good thing I did that because it kind of shoot up here really quickly. So if we were to lose the trade here and Q, we're gonna end the stream and go and cool off for a second here because obviously we're not seeing this market right. You know, so let's see if we can. It's a little back and forth in this area, so let's see if we can go down here. I think I still wanna reduce my risk. At 12 here. If it doesn't go down here, it doesn't go down. That's fine, you know. Work it to 12. Because remember, if I not reduced my risk earlier, I'd still be in that trade, which is fine. When trading, you gotta reduce your risk as soon as you can. If it goes back here and goes out, more power to them. Looks like that's what's gonna happen here, but thing is, I'm looking at the advanced decline here. The advanced decline is going lower, and this is going higher. So we know this is probably going to be short lived here. We don't want to be part of get taken out by a couple of ticks and then that thing goes your way. To me, that's the worst feeling in trading. So if this is going lower, we want to be there. We want to be able to participate in that down move. So, because my original stop was 1975, which is right here. So we have an ATM that is programmed at 15 ticks. We're gonna go to break even. So the advanced decline is looks like it's bouncing higher here. So it's highly like here we may get taken out too. So if we get taken out here, that's still all fine. We're just following our plans at the moment. The advanced decline is going higher, so No follow through in here. That's going lower. Kind of got caught in this chop here. So back and forth. Win, lose, or draw here. We're gonna end the stream. It's 11:17. So let's see if we can do that here and give us some kind of push down here. Well, once again, we're looking at, we may get taken out here by a couple of ticks and still go to the downside. Because we had 20 points earlier on NQ. The advanced decline is going lower. I think NQ here is setting up like a stop run. NQ, everything is going lower here, but NQ wants to go higher. That doesn't make any sense. Advanced decline is going lower. So that gives us confidence to stay in the short, but we know how things change quickly in this market. Yeah, it was a nice out on LE here because obviously it would have been a break-even trade if I didn't move my stuff here. Well, so a little divergence going on here in NQ. Got the advanced decline going lower, NQ trying to go higher. Yeah, that's kind of insane. NQ has a mind of its own right now. Definitely, ES is a straighter market here at the moment. NQ going lower. That's what I want to see. Let's see, NQ go lower here. We're definitely right in the middle of the major resistance for NQ. Um, but we know NQ sometimes doesn't respect those things. They do things their way. Let's see here. Um, I'm looking at the 1 minute here. Let's see. We know NQ can definitely be violent here to the downside. So let's see if we can get that. I think at 10, 11 here, we're probably gonna move to break even because we don't want another. Let's see, we're at 475. That's reduce our risk. Yeah, have to keep it to the original because we give it more room because we thought, hey, gotta factor in the pullback here. Yeah, 475 here. We're gonna go. We'll 94, 93. Yeah, we're at break even. If it comes back and tag us out at break even, that's fine. We're targeting 50 points on NQ here. We're gonna move our stop accordingly. Definitely approaching like it looks like almost like a support, but I think we probably break that. Let's see. So yeah, we're gonna lock in 10 at 94 here. Gonna lock in 10. We're still selling off here. Probably locking 20 at 84. At least above, we don't want another candle to form to the upside here and want to be out. 86.50 probably. Come on, NQ. Why are you doing that? Okay. All right, let's see if we can get to this target here. As we're getting closer to here, we're gonna be gonna put at 81 probably. No. Yes, it's going lower. So the ADD here, the advanced decline, kind of helped us stay in this trade because it was going lower, even NQ was going back and forth. So that's something we, you know, having this kind of tool tell us, hey, even though NQ was doing whatever it was doing, we're still going lower. So here we don't want to get caught 4 by 2 or 2 ticks here. So that's why I haven't dropped the 81 yet. We secured like what, 97 or 18 ticks or something like that. So we may see a couple bars here. So 81 would be out of this trade, but also we may be out at 86 too. So that's why we haven't dropped it, because we knew this most likely would happen. They would come back to that level and test it. Now I think you can safely say, hey, let's drop this. Maybe not. 84.75. Let's just do that. Let's just get a couple more ticks here. All right, let's see if we can move down here and break this pivot. As we get to the pivot, we're gonna be more careful here. So we're looking for 50 points here. We're not looking for anything. That's why we are patient to move a stop, because we know this kind of action is going to happen here. Now, if we can break this, we're going to move down maybe 10 points. There you go. It's approaching this, 84.75. There you go. It's going to give it to us. Come on, give it to us, baby. Oh, my goodness. See that other NQ is playing with us here? That's 54. Golly. All right, let's do 74 and 3/4. That thing just played with us here. God damn, bro. Thing got stopped at about 30 ticks, 30 points. What is the low on this? How come I didn't just manually close this trade? We got 1 tick away. Oh my goodness. I was 1 tick away. Oh my goodness. 54.50, I'd get feel. So that's okay though. That's okay. Fed news. Oh. Yeah, looks like we're moving higher now. That is crazy. All right. This is early up there. Top middle, kind of ranging. Nothing's happening right there. Well, according to, let me see something here, Jimmy. According to Murray, 54 was support, and he bounced wide of 54. 54.25. He bounced. So meaning, really looking at this now in hindsight, I'm like, well, just put my thing at 55, I'd be fine. Um, ES99, big ask. Yeah, I can see that. I don't know if we want to go short here again, but ADD is going higher, so could be a little retracement there. Earlier, I missed an entry on gold to go long. So let's revisit gold here again. Yeah, trade management here, that could have been better. I mean, basically, really just a couple ticks above my target. Definitely would have just tagged me out here. And all right, gold is looking like a mess, so got gold at the bottom right. So what ES did at 99.50. It looks like he got rejected. Now it's going higher. So looks like we wants to go higher here in the indices. So which Fed is speaking? Let me see. Kashkari is speaking. Oh wow, okay. He's saying that it's conceivable that the hit to confidence could be bigger effect than the tariffs themselves. The next year or two, we ought to be able to reduce interest rates further. Okay. That, yeah, he says those things. Not, hmm. A push down is possible again. Maybe this time. Mm. I guess the 99.50. Pretty accurate. I mean, that's what kept me in that short trade also with NQ, because I was at the major resistance, which was 14. Now again, my entry wasn't ideal, but right now we bounce off right the support that it projected at 54 to 54. Love to see it push up here toward those highs and maybe go lower. Now, when I look at LE up there, looks like there's a chance here we might be going lower here, LE. Um, We might try a shorty on LE and see what happens. Let's see, where are we? Oh yeah. This is less crazy than trying a short. Okay, NQ's gone lower. Yeah, I know. I mean, typically NQ and ES they go the same way. So typically, but yeah, definitely, AD is more like the New York Stock Exchange um, index. So right now we're looking at, is ES gonna go lower here? Looks like that's what's happening. But honestly, when I look at this here, LE looks more like something I'd like to short, with a very tight stop. See if we can short LE here. See if we can short LE with a very tight stop. All right, we're gonna 22. Where did we short LE? Well, it's not gonna work too well. uh, should be at 25. Give it 10 ticks. Now, win, lose, or draw on this one, we're gonna go. Like you call it, Jimmy. We're gonna go cool. 25. Okay, here, ES. I mean, looks like they wanna go higher now. Looks like it's bouncing higher. Well, we're short LE. We're just gonna keep one trade at a time. Let's see if we can get 30 ticks on LE here. It's 11:39. Yesterday we saw a nice sell-off around noon on LE. Could this be the same? Could this be the same here? So I'm gonna step away for a quick second here. Be back at. Oh, that's my forex trading here. We'll be back at 11:45. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Looks like we're still in this trade here. Ellie about to take us out. If that's the case here, we'll whether we get taken out here in LE, we'll end the stream. So we've been streaming for about 2 hours now, so that's usually longer than. Now, if I stayed with this trade in NQ, wait for the pullback and go short, would definitely be already out of, be out of the short. But that's okay. Hindsight 2020. Wanted to trade something after this this back and forth of adrenaline between the NQ short. Wanted to trade something slower to kind of get back to. What to say? Here we go. Can you show that everything? If you insist, Jimmy, I'll show you that. That was gonna be something I keep in house, but I can show you. So basically, this is LE. The reason why I took it because we're in the oversold area. It hit this, giving a lower low. So right now we're down 6 ticks. So that's why I took it. So it's really in the expensive area where it should be going down. That doesn't mean it will, but that's what it should do. As you can see here, it's chopping around. I mean, to me, this is. Yeah, what I just showed here was called Murray Math Trading, which is pretty interesting concept. I'm kind of new to it. Just experimenting it. So got 2 more ticks. It will be out, and after that we'll take a break. We'll take a break after that, and let's see. Essentially, if we get a no positive bar here, we'll be out of this trade at 25. So this is a counter trend trade. Now, I mean, basically the market was resting up here. Now, the safer place to put your stop would be up there at, let's see, 4 more ticks. I'll give it to you. I'll give you 4 more ticks. Because I don't want to be taken out here cheaply. Give it 4 more ticks. Sometimes, originally you may want to have like a fixed tick area, like a number of tick in mind. But, sometimes it turns out, hey, you got to put it in the right place, which in this particular case would be 4 more ticks from the high. I can, this is a green day. And regardless, it's going to be a green day here, so I can afford to do that a little bit. So slower pace trading here, but definitely this thing came back down to remember we short at 04.75. That thing came back within 10 points of our entry. It's a big pullback here. Got some more selling going on in this market. Yeah, 203. So that's what I'm saying. You would have to make a new high for the day here to take us out. So If it doesn't make a new high for the day, I mean, we'll still be in this trade until got 2 more hours. To be exact, 2 hours and 17 minutes before we close. LE closes. They start trading at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and they close at 2:05 Eastern. So put it above the high of the day. See here, might get taken out. A 14 tick loss. They're pushing higher. Yeah, they're pushing higher here. 2 more ticks will be out. 1 more tick will be out. So it touched the high of the day and back off a little bit, but doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I got taken out. It was good being here with you guys today. It's good being with you. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully tomorrow morning. And have a good one. Jimmy, how did you do today? Is it, are you, did you take any of those shorts on ES, or I know you trade ES primarily? Oh, okay. So nice. So you traded overnight. That's good. Have a good one, everyone, and definitely please like and share and comment on this video. I haven't put in like a highlight video in a while, so I'm gonna see if I can work on that the next couple of days. Nice. Definitely, it's a green day over here. Yesterday I started really slow, and I recovered off stream. But yeah, it's pretty amazing here how things are going. All right, so with that said, I'm gonna end the stream, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Let's see. Plowing down, yeah. ES is definitely plowing down. All right, you have a good one. Bye bye.